Hey guys, welcome back. This session of the bootcamp. We'll be talking about candles and time frames. Okay, so every candle, I'm not gonna be drawing to you guys like a chart where I'm gonna put a candle wick and tell you guys what they are. Okay, open, high, low, close. They just want to look fancy to you guys. It's really hard to understand. You just want to understand that. Let's look at the candle itself. So I'm gonna go on the 1 minute, and we're gonna see a candle form on its own. Okay, so let's wait 24 seconds. You can see here that this candle opened here. It left a wick down. It's now pumping. It's leaving a high, which is filling. If it goes above, this body goes above this high, it's going to form a new high. If it goes back down, it's going to leave a wick. You can see it printing wicks. So in 5 seconds, pay attention. This candle going to open somewhere. Let's say it's going to open here. Beautiful. It opened here. You saw it was green. Now it's red. It opened. It wicked up. So it left a high. Now it's dumping. It's forming a body. It's coming back up, it's leaving a wick. So this is pretty much a 1 minute candle. So what we're seeing is data from 1 minute. You see it's dumping. But if I go on a 3 minute, we'll see that the same thing. This is a 3 minute time frame. So it has 3 1 minute candles. Okay. 5 minute. This same candle, same open, will have multiple. It has 5 1 minute candles, right? But you see it as one candle. You can see that it's going to close in 3 minutes. It can go all the way back up, can go down. On the 1 minute, it's going to look like a big dump. But on the 5 minute, for example, it may look like this. Or maybe on the 50 minute, it's going to look very tiny, right? Maybe it dumps like this and then goes back up and leaves a wick, okay? So you can see here's the 1 minute. This 1 minute closed. It opened here, wicked above, went down, wicked a little bit, come back and close here, okay? So I think I should maybe draw this. So here we have the candle. We have a wick. We have a wick. Okay. So let's say this is a red candle. Okay. That means what this means is market opened here. If it's a bearish candle, it opens, it went down. It opened here. It closed here. The body when it closed. The bodies will show you the open and the close. And it formed a low here. And it formed a high here. Okay? So, most of the candles, they open, they manipulate one side, and then distribute the other side. They can open like here, manipulate down, then go the other side. Okay, we're going to be talking about that on a video on its own. Okay, power of 3. On a concept on the 1 minute. Okay, we're not going to be talking about the high time frame. People like to talk about a 4-hour power of 3. It confuses you. You might get a trade once a month. We don't care about that. I care about just this for me to enter the trade. And I'll be showing you guys very soon. For example, right, it's pumping, right? I do not enter the trade. Let me show you guys an example. Let's say I take a trade right now. Watch, as soon as I enter the trade, I'm going to be in the negative. Look, negative P&L, you see? Instantly. You see? I'm in drawdown. But let me show you in 5 seconds, watch, how I'm going to be profit. As soon as this candle goes down, green, red, I'm going to buy it. Watch, as soon as it goes red, or as soon as it goes green, I'm going to buy it. I'm going to sell it. So opposite of what it's doing. So since it's going up, now it's going up, right? If I click short, watch how I'm going to be instantly in profit. Well, technically, we really bought in a really bad place. Short in a really bad place. But the idea is we opened, we manipulate up. I'm going to be short in the manipulate. Let's close this and wait for a new candle. Just going to show you an example. So 25 seconds. Well, let's go into 30 seconds. Well, that's also the same. 15 seconds. So in 5 seconds, 4 seconds, 3 seconds, I'm going to buy it. Buy it. Okay, this is a little bit awkward. Alright, 5 seconds here. What I'm trying to show is that if I'm bullish, I want it to be buying when it's going down. Right now. I'm buying right now. Okay. Now the market is very slow. But you see how I have a really good entry? I'm not in drawdown right now. It should start going. If it's, of course, if I'm offside, it's not gonna work. But the whole point of open high close is that when you want if you want to buy a long, you want to be buying on a red candle. So as it's going down, you buy it. That way, if it wicks back up, you're already in profit. Does that make sense? I know I declared it a little bit faulty here, but I think it just makes sense. So you see, as it's going down, people are shorting. We're going to be buying like this, okay? For example. So, yeah. Now, second thing, time frames. We've got 3 minute, 5 minute, 15 minute, 1 hour. These are anything above the 15 minute is high time frame. Anything below the 15 minute is lower time frame. 15 minute is like the intermediate, okay? But I just don't even call it. I just looked at anything 1 hour, 4 hour, daily, weekly is the ones you're going to be working for. Nothing else. 5 minute, 3 minute, 1 minute is what you're going to be looking for on the low time frame. Now, people tell you to look for the high time frame setup and then go on the low time frame to take a trade, right? We're going to be going into those, but we don't need to. Okay, once you're in the sweep strategy, you will know that you'll only stay on the 5 minute or the 3 minute, whichever one you're comfortable with, and you never need to leave this premise. Okay, you never need to leave your comfort zone. Okay, on the 3 minute, we got sweep premium session high, chosh, boom, TP, London sweep premium session low, chosh, TP, chosh, TP, London sweep premium session high, chosh, TP. See, I never left. I didn't need to do anything ICT. I didn't need to do anything educational. I didn't need to check the high time frames for order flow, daily bias, blah 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 blah. Okay, this is how powerful our strategy. You're gonna be learning it very soon, maybe in the next session. So long I just focus that everybody's on the same page. Okay, so now you understand every candle, right? So on 3 minute, that means there's 3 1 minute candles in here. So you might see this candle, this 3 minute candle. It might do this. It may go up, may go down, may go up, may go down, may go up, may go down, and maybe end like this, right? But on the 3 minute, it's gonna probably do this. It formed a candle, it went up again, and then the next candle went down like this, okay? So 3 candles. But on the 3 minute, it may just look like a wick, okay? For example, this wick right here, it's on a 3 minute. Probably on the 1 minute, we formed a bullish candle, and then we dumped and ended it with a third candle. Let's have a look. See, we formed a bullish candle, and then we dumped. Sorry, that might have to be under 15 seconds. Yeah, we formed 1 candle, 2 candle, and the third one dumped, which gave us literally a wick. Okay, so I hope that makes sense, guys. It's just for your understanding. I know the majority of you guys know it, but some people really don't know what's time, like what does time frames mean, like what's 3 minute, what's 5 minute. Okay, just know that we use 1 minute, 3 minute, 5 minute, 15 minute, 1 hour, 4 hour, daily, weekly. Okay, for our trading, most of it going to be on the 3 minute. If you want to be fancy, we check the high time frame, the hourly, 4 hour, daily, weekly. Okay, which you'll all be learning very soon in the correct way, in the perfect way, in the simple way, in the way you will be practically able to use it. You'll be able to execute it practically on your own accord. Okay, you don't need for me to tell you anything. Okay, so that demarks this sessions about time frames, candlesticks themselves. So we have an open, we end up with a wick, come back down with a body, wherever the body closes, it gives the closure, right? So in red candles, that means the market is dumping. Green candle means it's going up. Red candle opened here, it dumped, it closed here. Green candle, it opened here, it pumped, it closed here. Okay, the most important thing I want you guys to focus on is the wick formed. Okay, I don't care about the bodies, I care about the wicks. You saw how we shorted this here, right? Earlier. Sorry, right here. So look, wick from the previous video. Respected it. It's dumping. It dumped all the way here, so you could have shorted that. I just already gave you a nice trading scalping idea, right? Easy. Easy, guys. Easy. Notice how it pumped from this midpoint of this wick. You see, they cannot hide this, but it's hidden. Unless you look for it, it's hidden. This is how you can manipulate, or you can use the manipulation of the algorithm in your favor. All right. So guys, the next video will be about the sweep strategy finally, and by that time you should be able to start taking trades. Anything thereafter will be purely for educational purposes, and you're gonna find a lot of success with it because you'll understand everything that's going on. I want you to understand everything, every candle, what they're doing. Okay, I want you to do it. You need to know everything that's going on in the market. You need to know everything that's going on in the market, because that's how it's gonna let you know if you need to get out early, or if you need to close your trade early, or if you need to take a partial somewhere. I see people take a trade like this. That was stop loss here, and the TP is like this. Oh, we got relative equal lows there, which we will talk about. Yeah, but here we got, for example, trend line liquidity. Okay, we got order block opening price. We got midpoint of this wick. We got an FEG. We got a breaker block. We have to go through. We have so many stuff we have to go through, guys. So many stuff. So they don't look at these partials. I look at each of these as a partial. For example, and this order block, for example, which you're going to be learning, and even the midpoint of this order block, for example. I'm going to take a partial here, 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 at this low, and whatever, this order block here, before I get to my maximum TP. That's how you make money. If it reverses here, all my TPs are potential reversal points. If it reverses here, I already took my partial and I'm at break even. If it reverses here, I already took partial 1, I take a partial 2, and I'm already break even. If it reverses here, I already took a partial 2, 3, and I'm at break even. Fine. While the other guy is still holding his trade, thinking he's the master of trading. Okay? If it doesn't end up reversing, I made money. While he is, it went back to break even, and it probably stopped him out. While we made money, he just wasted his time. Okay? Thank you for joining. I'll see you guys next time for the sweep strategy video. Peace.